Hello everyone, my name is Frank Torti. I'm the principal of St. Patrick's Catholic High School in Sarnia. On behalf of our entire administrative team, along with our teaching and support staff, I'd like to welcome all families and, of course, most importantly, our future Irish students to our 2022 virtual open house. We want to thank you for joining us tonight and for allowing us time to show you what St. Patrick's has to offer. As you're probably aware, St. Patrick's has a long-standing history in our community that dates back to its beginnings in 1935. Over the past 86 years, St. Patrick's has developed a strong tradition and academic excellence that is rooted in faith development and community service. For 86 years, St. Patrick's students have excelled in their studies, supported the community, enjoyed friendships in school clubs and activities, and have proven to be fierce competitors on athletic fields and courts. We hope that you are excited as we are to carry on this Fighting Irish legacy and tradition. As the only Catholic high school in Lambton County, St. Patrick offers a faith-based learning environment where students are encouraged and expected to demonstrate compassion and love for all. You will find that many of our St. Patrick's staff, including administrators, teaching and support staff, are, in fact, graduates of St. Pat's themselves. We have a highly dedicated staff that work tirelessly to support and nurture the growth of our students. Our staff members care about our students and work hard to make sure that everyone feels looked after and finds their place in the Irish community. With a current school population of 1,300 students and over 130 staff, our staff works hand in hand with students and families to make sure that all our graduates are future ready. We are fortunate to be able to offer a vast array of specialty programming, which you will learn more about tonight. St. Patrick's offers programming for all potential pathways, including university, college, apprenticeship, or the workplace. No matter what path you hope to explore, St. Patrick's offers an opportunity for all students to be successful. Aside from our academic course offerings, St. Patrick's offers quite an extensive list of opportunities for students to get involved in extracurricular activities. Whether you love basketball, art, golf, drama, trivia, or football, we have something for everyone. We know that many of you come to us from all parts of Lambton County, so we even have a late bus that runs after all of those clubs and teams are finished. That means that everyone can participate in these after-school activities and not worry about how you're going to get home. Now, as future Irish students, I know that you may be beginning to feel nervous and anxious about joining a new school, a new high school at that. Please know that we will support you with this transition, especially in those first few days of grade 9, to make sure you become comfortable in the building and understand how we do things here in high school. One of the long-standing traditions of St. Pat's is to offer all of our new students an opportunity at the end of the summer before grade 9 begins to join us for an orientation day. This day is referred to as our Link Day. On this day, you'll meet other grade 9s, staff and student leaders who can help you with this transition. They will help you navigate the building, learn where to find your locker and your new classrooms. By the end of this orientation day, I know you'll be more comfortable with starting your new high school life here at St. Pat's. Once again, we are thrilled that you have taken the time to join us tonight for our virtual open house. To continue with the tour, please follow the directions that you can find toward the bottom of each slide. A lot of information is provided throughout the virtual open house presentation. You will meet some of the dedicated staff that will assist you while here at St. Patrick's, and you will learn more about the extensive programming and extracurricular activities we provide here. The opportunities that St. Patrick's has to offer are second to none in Lambton County. We are truly honored that you are considering joining our Irish family and look forward to being a part of your high school journey. Take care, and we'll see you soon.